A big boy fish right there. Just chilling. There's another one. Another one right there. Ooh, there's a little earthworm. It's pretty cool. I don't know actually what that is. It looks like a leech. Never mind. I don't really know, but there's some more fishes right there. Right there. Really satisfying. It's right there. Key fish. Where is that earthworm? Whatever that is. Oh. He's right there. Very interesting. Fish. Two fish right there. And a little dragonfly just landed. Whatever that is. I don't exactly know. They got commented on there that it wasn't a dragonfly, but I forgot what it was called, so somebody in the comments have to tell me again. It landed right next to me. What is that? What is it? A frog. That's a frog. Third stage, I think. And there's some more fishies under there. And we put this in like 2 months ago, and it's actually become lots of fishies home. So I'm glad it became useful. So I've just polluted in the forest. And there's some more fishies over there. Look at them. More fishy. There's some more, another fishy right there. Well, let's get an update on that earthworm. Where is that? Where did that earthworm go? What? There's the frog though. It's probably a toad actually. There's another fishy. There's a salamander. That's sick. Salamander or skink, I don't really know. That's really cool. Something toward me. See if I can keep it up. See where it went. And he's gone. I see lots of scuttling like that. And it's usually one of those guys. Maybe a skink sometimes.